Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Marisa.
Okay, take your seats. Let's see if you remember our previous discussion. What is counseling?
Ma'am!
Any other hands? Si Miss Vivian lang bang estudyante ko dito? Mr. Lobo, what is counseling? My question is simple. What is counseling? And yet, no one can answer. Are you still my student? Yes, Miss Vivian.
Ma'am, counseling is improving the client's mental health by discussing their problems to help them and cope with them.
Very good, Vivian. It is easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time, please pay attention. Mr. Dadogo, sit down.
Galing mo naman magbasa.
Akin na nga yan. Mabuting ako nagbabasa, hindi ka tulad ng nagsuggest.
Magaling mo naman yan, Stefan. Ano kayang nangyari sa kanya?
Hayaan mo na, baka pagod na siyang maging matalino, kaya yan, nagpapakabobo.
Mr. Dadogo, I want to talk to you. Take a seat. The problem, Mr. Dadogo. Why is your grade is failing? You're not even paying attention at my class.
I'm sorry, Mom.
No, I want to talk to your parents. Please inform them this coming meeting. I need your parents' presence there. Okay? You may leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo nga, Kyle, kumain ka na doon. Baka yan kayong maging dahilan kung bakit nababawasan yung katalinuhan mo. Mamaya pagalitan ka pa ng papa mo. Ayo, pala, sorry. Kalimutan ko matagal na pala hindi ko recycle yung tatay mo.
Hoy, Vivian, nakikita ko na yung bibis mo. Ang hingin mo na, alam mo ba yun?
Paki mo,
Kung ako sa'yo, Jake, huwag ka nang sumama dyan kay Ted. Baka mahawa ka lang. Sige ka. Ikaw rin, baka mawala yung kanin.
Tama!
Pero pahingitan eh. Hindi ka talaga titigil. Kung hindi kayo titigil, susubukan na kayo sa buhay natin.
Kami na nga itong nagmamagandang loob. Ikaw pa itong may ganang magsubok. Bahala ka sa buhay. Tara, Ethan, umalis na tayo dito.
Nagugutom ka na? Kung bakit? Hindi mo na kasi sinawan. Alam mo na lang yan. Tara kain.
Got my driver's license last week. It's like we always
Naawa sa mga anak natin. Si Carl! Paano si Carl? Paborito ka pa naman ni Carl. Pero nagawa mo. Rem? Jane? Nandito ka lang pala. Saan ka ba dito? Sorry, ngayon lang ako nakapunta. Busy pa kasi. Uy, okay ka lang ba? Wala lang, Jane. Wala din ako yung kaya daw. Ha? Bakit? Bakit meeting? Anong meeting? May meeting sila? Hindi ko nakaklase na natin si Kailan. Kaya dapat meeting nila. Pero hindi ako sinabi yun, hindi ka na may meeting sila. Anong nangyayari? Hindi ko alam, hindi ko talaga alam. Walang sinabi sa akin si Kyle. Umuwi ka muna po, sabi mo si Kyle. Sige, mukhang yun na muna yung gagawin ko lang. Maraming salamat, Jen. Sige, bye-bye. Ingat ka.
Hoy, punta ka na dito. Bilisan mo na dyan. Kakain na tayo. Yung mga pumunta muna ako sa kwarto. Kapag may kailangan ka, puntahan mo lang ako.
Opo, kuya.
Ayong nga pala, sorry. Nakalimutan ko matagal na ka lang hindi mo umintay yung tatay mo.
Anak, nasaan ang kuya mo?
Nasa kwarto po.
Ah, ganun ba? Sige, pupuntahan ko muna ang kuya mo. Tapusin mo muna yan, ha?
Sige po, ma.
Hello? Ito po ba si Dr. Francisco? Opo. Gusto ko po sanang makita mo yung anak ko. Sige po.
Hi Kyle, my name is Dr. Cali Francisco. Sino ba yung mga kasama mo papunta rito?
Si mama lang po, si tita.
Gusto mo ba silang papasukin?
Hindi po.
Okay lang. Okay lang ba sa'yo na narito ka?
Siya lang po gusto na pumunta ko dito. Hindi mo nga po alam kung anong sasabihin ko.
Okay lang yan. Na may mga katanungan ako dito Kyle na sasagutin mo. Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Sige po to.
Sinasaktan ka ba ng mga magulang mo?
Hindi po.
Ni minsan ba sinubukan mo nang lumayas sa iyong tahanan?
Kahit isa po hindi.
Mabuti yan Kyle. Umiinom ka ba ng mga alcoholic drinks?
Hindi po.
Ni minsan ba sinaktan mo na ang sarili mo? So Kyle, let's start this. Yung mama mo tumawag sa akin and she mentioned it that you're having a difficult time daw. Maaari ba nating pag-usapan yan dito? Sa school, may problema ka ba sa school? May bumubuli ba sa'yo sa school?
Dalawa po sila. Nagsasalitaan po ko nila ng sakit na salita, which is hindi ko naman po pinapansin.
Hindi nga ba? Alam mo Kyle, yung mga sinasabi nila may maaaring malaking epekto sa iyo at napansin niya ng iyong ina, kaya ka nga narito. Kaya pwede natin pag-usapan yan. How about in your house?
Siguro okay lang. Si mama kasi palaging busy, which is naiintindihan ko naman. Si Emma kasi she's only 8, so I try to help out when I can.
It's understandable that you would feel hurt, abandoned even. It is a lot of process, especially at such a young age.
I want to lessen my mom's burden, and it's not like I have a choice.
It seems that you carry a lot of responsibility. Do you feel like you've been left to handle things on your own?
Yeah, I mean, ginagawa naman lahat ni mama. Kaso di na katulad ng dati. It used to be different when he was around.
So you are talking about your dad.
Oo siya. Umalis kasi siya. na parang bang hindi kami mahalaga sa kanya. Mas pinili niya siya kaysa sa amin, kaysa kay mama, kaysa kay Emma, kaysa sa akin. Paano niya nagawa yun?
Kung sa gayon, napakahirap pala ng pinagdaanan mo.
Nasaan si Kyle? Anton, pinauna ko na. Kyle, kamusta na? Okay ka na ba?
Ang ginagawa niyo dito, ma?
Hi, Miss Dadobo. Rem?
Jane, labas mo muna si Kyle.
Tara na, Kyle.
Rem?
Bilisan nyo!
Si Kyle? Anak ko?
Hindi mo anak si Kyle. Wala kang anak sa akin.
Ano to?
Riz, anong ginagawa mo?
Francisco, sino to?
Wala yan ano.
No, sino tong batang to?
Parang,
No, sagutin mo ang tanong ko. Sino to? Anong mo to sa labas?
hindi. Riz, let me explain.
Aya, Virginak, malaki na si Vivian pero nagawa mo pa rin sa amin to.
Thank you for coming today. I understand this is a difficult situation for the both parties. So, let's start.
Bakit ka pa kasi nagpakita ha?
Sorry na rin.
Wag mo akong hahawakan. Andito yung asawa mo. Respetuhin mo naman siya.
Okay, Miss Dadobo, please calm down. We'll solve this slowly. But before that, can you tell me more about it?
My son is being bullied at school. The girl is bullying her. Her name is Vivian, which is their daughter. They're at the same age. They don't even know that they are step siblings.
I know. I'm sorry, Rem.
Sorry ka ng sorry, Caleb. Sorry can't heal everything. Nasaktan niyo ang anak ko. Hindi mo nga alam na kausap mo na pala siya eh.
Okay, Miss Dadobo, I understand you. But I also need to hear what's Mr. Francisco's side. Mr. Francisco, it seems like your past decision have a significant impact on your children. Can you tell me more about what happened?
Iniwan ko si Rem when Kyle was 9. I choose to be with someone else. Hindi ko nga alam na mangyayari to. At hindi ko nga alam na buntis pala si Rem kay Emma at that time.
It was a difficult time. Kyle was young. And now he was being bullied by her own sister without even knowing it.
I understand the both of you. How about you, Mrs. Francisco? Do you want to share anything to us?
Nandun siya nung nag-away tayo. Nasa kanya ang litrato ni Kyle. Alam niya na nasa litrato na yun ay anak ng papa niya sa iba. Kaya nung nalaman niya ito, binuli niya si Kyle.
So ano? All this time alam ng anak niyo, samantalang hindi alam ng anak ko? Kapatid niya pala yung bumubuli sa kanya? Bakit naman?
No, Rem. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ito alam ni Francisco dahil kalaunan ko lang din nalaman.
Hindi nga ba? Oo, hinahayaan mo lang saktan ng anak mo ang anak ko. At ang alam ko, naging guro ka din ni Kyle.
No, hindi ko yung gagawin kay Kyle. Galit ako pero hindi ko yung bubutong galit ko sa bata. Dahil alam ko may pagkakamali rin ako.
Miss Dadobo and Mrs. Francisco, please calm down. I understand that this is causing you all in pain, but I want you to know that you can still solve this. And that's why we're here. We can work together to find solution to this.
I want to make things right. I want Kyle to be happy.
That's a good start, but not only to Kyle, to Emma and Vivian too. You need to be honest with your children and make them understand the situation. Mr. Francisco, you need to be prepared to face the consequences of your actions.
Need to tell Kyle and Emma the truth. They deserve to know. And no more promises, Caleb.
I know. I'm scared, but I will do it.
And Miss Dadobo, it's important for you to support Kyle. Let him know that you're there for him no matter what. Also, please slowly let Emma know the truth.
I will. I will always be there for him. I will help Khalid to tell Emma the truth, and I will be there for them.
As for Vivian, Mr. and Mrs. Francisco, we can see that she's also hurt from what's happening. It's just that she's using violence to cope with it. I hope you can guide her, talk to her more, and give her attention that she needed.
I will. Francisco, let us also tell Vivian about this and make her understand it better.
I know. I will be there for her too. From now on, I will be the father that they needed. No more promises. I will do it.
I believe you will. It's good to hear this from all of you. The willingness to this is the key part. I believe that together we can find a way to heal the wounds of you and your children. Thank you for coming, Miss Dadubo and Mrs. Francisco, and also to you, Mr. Khalid Francisco. I hope that we will see the progress in this.